Hey guys, Kieran Nolan here. Today I'll be installing an A-Sure car multimedia system into an Audi TT 2008 to 2014 model. I'll also be reviewing this car multimedia system. As far as I know already, this stereo has gotten great reviews so far. I think this is because that you can play movies on it and you can connect music on it. You can actually download Spotify on the actual system already, and it's pretty good. Bluetooth with the stereo is possible with your car. You can do CarPlay with it, which is very good with iPhone and Android. Yeah, it's gotten great reviews so far, and also on this multimedia set you can hook up a reverse camera first and a dash cam. See here, I have a reverse camera here. I'm going to be installing that as well, but I'm not sure if I'll be doing it today, so might not be in the video, but I'll still be opening up the box to show you what's inside. And yeah, let's get straight. So when you open up the box, this here's what it looks like. It has an A-Sure leaflet with our information on it, so I'm going to take that out. And it has car multimedia system user manual. So we probably will need that there too, just so you know how to set things up. An A-Sure FAQ. Don't know if I'll be using this, but it's good to have anyway. See that there's the old radio that you'd have in an Audi TT. Well, it has a curve at the bottom there, but similar enough system. So that there's why most people want to change it. There's another one that you might have in the Audi TT down there, but yeah. Oh, there. This here's the one that I'll be changing. Okay, so in the box you have some wires to hook up with the back of the stereo into the actual car itself. So it has power and stuff, and yeah. And then you also get these orange things to help get it out, but I will already have some keys that you put into the slots at the top to pull out for, yeah, so I can get it out. Right here you have a GPS antenna here, so the car knows that where the location is when you have the GPS on it. I forgot to mention that has GPS on it already built in. You don't have to do Bluetooth, but you can use Google Map Bluetooth if you want with your phone. So as you see here, yeah, you get a GPS antenna with the actual thing anyway. So now we're going to actually take out the actual radio itself, so you know what it looks like. I'm not going to take off this plastic stuff now. I'm just going to go ahead and show you. Actually, I'm going to take it off just so you can see. As you can see here, this here's what the stereo looks like. Pretty good, and that's all I'm going to show you now. See here is that there's the reverse cam. It slits into underneath the bottom of where the lights on the boot are. Underneath there, the registration plate lights goes into one of them. See, it has it here, so it's very good. It's hidden out of the way. You have all your wires there. They go through underneath the car, which will plug into the back of this yoke here, which is very good. Alright, so first you have to put these special keys, specialised for this Audi TT radio. You put them in the 4 slots that are on the radio. I have my own custom ones here. Didn't realise they actually came in the box. I'm just going to try and put the camera down to take it out now. Oh, it's not really staying up. But yeah, here I have it out now, and just that there's the way you put the key in on each slot. Then you just pull it out like so. There's this silver thing at the side that you press, and then you can release the keys on that. I'll show you now. See there, that sort of silver thing there, you push down on that and then the keys, you can pull them out easy. Okay, so you'll also need to remove the airbag wire there that you can see there, and like the sign at the front. You're going to have to remove that while just disconnecting the what you call it, the wire. I'm just testing the radio there just to see if it works, but yeah, I have that disconnected there, the wire. So you push down on these silver things at the side of the airbag light, and then you push down on them with the 2 keys, and then it should be able to push out like so. Yeah, I just took it out there because I needed a hand there, just so yeah. That there is the aerial wire. That there is the airbag thing. I just connected it back up there because I'm not going to be putting in the radio fully. And that there is all the power supply for the radio. So you see here that there's the back of the new radio, where 2 red dots are there at the side. Just you seen a second ago, That there is where you put the Wi-Fi antenna on the GPS card. There are the new wires that I'm going to be putting into it. And I'm going to connect them up then with the old wire, and then you're able then to connect there with a bit of wire to the reverse camera and other stuff like the dash cam. See those 2 dots there? Yeah, you can take them off to screw in the stuff. You just putting in those wires, you push it in to the slot, and then there's a handle there that you just push down. Then you pinch the top and then push down, and it should slide in perfectly. Okay, so that there is basically it. You just push it in, connect it with the wires in there, and then you should have the radio then be able to turn on. Pretty good job, I think. See there, it's a nice display. You have to turn on the ignition for it to come on. Yeah, it does turn off after a couple of seconds after you turn off the ignition. Just going to connect it up to the Wi-Fi here. Settings and connections. But overall, it's a very good radio so far, what I can see. It looks like a lot of stuff you can do on it. I mean, especially that you can have Wi-Fi on it and GPS. It's actually quite good as well. See here, you can actually change the colour of the buttons. It's very good, I think. Very nice touch. It's kind of unique, you know, in that way. Whatever colour you like, just choose it as the colour of the buttons. Also, I know with this radio you're able to put DVDs in and watch them, so that's very good. I'm going to be downloading Spotify onto this to listen to music. This here is just what the radio display looks like. Pretty nice, I think. And your custom music on the right. Here's maps, which is connected. You can choose your own whatever maps or app you want, whatever map app you want to use. I chose Google Maps because I can link with my phone. Because it's the first time going into it, it's just a bit laggy, but now it's working there fine. See there, has my location. And yeah, it's very good, clear. Works well. Very cool to have on the radio. Yeah. Let's type in a location. Which is Belfast. Because it's a long distance, so you can see here. Oh, put it in one. But also there's a microphone on this, so that's a pretty good touch for talking into. Yeah. There we go. See there, it has their time there, how long it takes, and then there has the route to take. And my review of the overall radio is it's very good radio, really good. I'll give it 10 out of 10. Very, very, very good radio. I would recommend it to anyone. It fits in perfectly. The car doesn't look fake. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like this video if you liked it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.